The Galaxy A7X lineup was silent for years, and many believe Samsung had closed that chapter for good. But now the comeback is finally real. A completely new Samsung Galaxy A77 has appeared, and the first solid proof comes directly from Geekbench, revealing a prototype that signals the official revival of this forgotten mid-range family. Samsung ended the A7X series with the Galaxy A73 back in 2022, and even that model skipped several major markets. But the latest listing for model number SM-A776B confirms that Samsung is bringing the series back with a more powerful direction. According to Geekbench, the Galaxy A77 is running Android 16 equipped with 10 gigabytes of RAM and powered by an unannounced Samsung chipset. All three articles confirm that the CPU layout matches the structure of the Exynos 2400 family, yet with slightly lower clock speeds. The processor uses a Deca-core setup with 3 high-performance cores at 2.78 GHz, 3 mid-cores at 2.3 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 1.82 GHz. Even with reduced clocks, this configuration clearly aligns it with the Exynos 2400 and 2400E architecture, rather than the typical mid-range Exynos chips we see in devices like the Galaxy A56. The GPU makes the story even more interesting. As confirmed by Geekbench and highlighted by tipster Abhishek Yadav, the Galaxy A77 uses the Xclipse 940 GPU, the exact same GPU found in the Exynos 2400 and 2400E, powering the Galaxy S24 global models and the S25 FE. Bringing this GPU to a mid-range device pushes the A77 closer to a flagship-adjacent performance tier, especially in graphics-heavy tasks. The benchmark numbers show a single-core score of 1,673 and a multi-core score of 5,597 to 5,697, depending on the listing. This represents a major jump over the Exynos 1,580 inside the Galaxy A56, nearly a 45% performance leap according to Article 2. It's not reaching Pixel 9 levels yet, but it pushes the A77 into a much higher performance bracket than any previous A-series model. Samsung's strategy here is becoming clear with the Galaxy A56 priced around £499 and the Galaxy S25 FE at £649. Samsung appears to be creating space for a more performance-focused mid-range tier, and the A77 is designed to sit right between them. The A77 is expected to follow the tradition of the A73, which featured a larger 6.7-inch OLED panel and a stronger camera system, though actual display and camera specs for the A77 have not yet leaked. While Samsung has not officially announced the launch, multiple sources suggest that the A77 will likely arrive around March 2026, launching alongside the Galaxy A57. Pricing is expected to land below the FE series, placing it in the upper mid-range segment and making it a more accessible option for users who want near-flagship performance without paying flagship prices.